Jordan. And it's me, Skylar. And we are the Sweet and Sassy Science Sisters. Today we will be using science to make lava bags. Lava bags, lava bags, lava bags, lava bags. Colors too. Things you'll need for this experiment: sandwich bags, oil, blacklight flashlights, pipettes, fluorescent paint, and water mixture. Safety first. This experiment shows that water is more dense than oil, so they will never mix. First, we need to fill 1/4 of our bag with oil. Already done. Now we are going to pipette our fluorescent paint and water mixture into our oil to make our stick mixture. Okay, I'm opening it. Squeeze some more. Okay, that's true. You can't squeeze it like that. Okay, now come on. Okay. Whoa! Now just a little more. There. Maybe I could just 1 or 2 more of these. Okay, it's probably the last one. So you want to do any more? Okay. Wait, let me close this. To take all the air out of the bags, and then turn out the lights. Now we can see all of these bags. Oh my yellow is so pretty. Found yellow. This is my blue. My pretty pink. My green. It's now dark, guys. These are our lava bags. The more you play with them, the more design you'll see. Ooh, this one kind of looks galaxy. Let's see this one. Oh yeah, this one looks like a galaxy kind of. This one does too. Don't think they're not a lot. Look at this. It looks like snow, Jory. Look at this. Let me see. I need to put it in. Today's experiment. Now it's time for the question of the day. Last week's winner was Kobe Mitchell. This week's question is, why does water and oil not mix? The first person who answers this question correctly will get a special shout out in the next video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Bye!